Think you need fancy plugins for this pixel stretching effect? Nope, you can pull it off in minutes. There's also a free starter file below so you can follow along step by step. The design was borrowed from the shot on Dribble. Full credit is linked in the starter file. Alright, let's jump in. First, check out the setup. Most of the screen elements are ready, and this empty frame, that's where the magic is going to happen. Now let's grab a model image. I'm using Lumi, but honestly, pick anything you like. Then we drop it inside the frame. Pause for a second and think where you want your image to start stretching. Here comes the first secret move. Normally, we set images to fill so they behave nicely. But for this effect, fill is your enemy. So here is the question. Which settings make this effect possible? Take a guess. It's crop. At first, nothing changes. But watch what happens the moment we start putting those edges. The content is distorted. Now let's duplicate the image. With the top layer, we crop it exactly where you want the stretch to begin. And select the back of the image and crop the point where stretching begins. The image now consists of left part and right part. We keep cropping on the back image on the other side until the whole frame is 1 pixel wide. Think of it like slicing the image into 2 puzzle pieces. One for the subject and one for the stretch. Here's the fun part. Zoom in, then grab that pixel wide edge and stretch it out. Look at that! It's smooth, magical, and way easier than you think. This is a short tutorial on manipulating imagery. I also have other tutorials talking about different photo manipulation techniques, such as kinetic blur or halftone effect. I'll put them in the description box below. If this video saved you some time, hit the like button. And if you want more cool effects like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And drop a comment if you have any effect would like me to cover. Thanks for watching. I'm MengChi. See you in the next one.